Tips on touch typing from beginners to fast typists. First, seating position. Relax your shoulders and sit straight. Good light does not strain your eyes. Now, concentration and coordination will develop muscle memory. It takes time. So, slow and calm typing will increase your accuracy. Points to note. Focus on single letters first, then on the words. And learn to type the words one by one. Finally, you will be able to type sentences just by looking at them or by thinking. Thank you for watching. Don't forget, like and subscribe.